Life, with all its intricacies and unpredictability, can sometimes leave you feeling numb, detached, and devoid of joy. You start with a world full of wonder, and as a child, your days are filled with curiosity and excitement. The world feels small and manageable, yet vast enough to explore endlessly. However, as you grow older, the complexity of life expands while you seemingly remain the same. Eyes now overshadowed by the enormity of your surroundings, the innocence and simplicity of your early years give way to the harsh realities of adulthood. Responsibilities, setbacks, and heartbreaks become frequent visitors in your life, diminishing the once vibrant colors of your existence into a dull palette of grays. The dreams that once seemed attainable now appear distant and obscured by the weight of daily struggles. Your once carefree laughter is replaced by a somber resignation to the challenges you face, and the sense of wonder you held slips through your fingers like sand. This transformation can be disheartening, leaving you yearning for the days when life felt more magical and less burdensome. In your pursuit of fulfillment, you achieve milestones, gather possessions, and check off societal expectations, yet the satisfaction you seek remains elusive. You find yourself trapped in a cycle of doing and obtaining, only to realize that the emptiness within persists. Loved ones pass away, relationships falter, and you become acutely aware of life's potential for suffering. The vibrant world of your youth becomes a backdrop to the monotonous struggles of everyday living. Over time, you learn to cope by building walls around your emotions, becoming indifferent to protect yourself from further pain. This defense mechanism is not a conscious choice, but a natural response to the hurt you experience. Consequently, life becomes something you observe from a distance rather than fully engage with, and the passion you once felt fades away. The days blend into each other, and your efforts to find joy seem futile. You carry on, but the zest for life diminishes, and your existence feels more like a series of tasks than a journey of discovery. In this state of numbness, you continue to function. You rise each day, meet your obligations, and even achieve success, but the spark is gone. Activities that once brought joy now feel mundane or are abandoned altogether. Social interactions become minimal, and your sense of pleasure becomes more intellectual than emotional. Achievements provide only fleeting relief from the pervasive sense of discontent. You press on, driven by routine rather than genuine motivation, often wondering why you persist in this way. The laughter and excitement that once accompanied your endeavors have been replaced by a sense of duty and necessity. Your conversations lack the depth and enthusiasm they once held, and you find yourself yearning for a connection that seems out of reach. The joy of discovery, the thrill of adventure, and the simple pleasures of life become distant memories as you navigate through the motions of your daily existence. Acknowledging this state is crucial. It is a natural phase of life, especially for those who have lived through significant experiences and possess a heightened sensitivity to the world around them. However, staying in this place is not desirable. Like a callus that forms to protect your hands, a degree of emotional indifference can serve a purpose. Philosophies such as Stoicism, Taoism, and Buddhism advocate for detachment from uncontrollable aspects of life to maintain inner peace. Stoic philosophers like Seneca emphasize the importance of distinguishing what you can control from what you cannot, and responding with calmness to the latter. Taoism teaches the value of non-action, and Buddhism speaks of transcending suffering through non-attachment. These teachings offer solace and guidance, reminding you that while you cannot control the external world, you can cultivate an inner tranquility that shields you from its turbulence. However, it is essential to strike a balance, for too much detachment can lead to a life devoid of the rich emotional experiences that make it truly meaningful. These philosophies offer valuable insights, but excessive detachment can lead to an apathetic stupor, where you lose your capacity to feel deeply. A hand fully covered in calluses loses its ability to discern the delicate textures of the world. Similarly, an overly indifferent heart becomes incapable of experiencing the richness of life. The key is to find balance, using detachment as a shield rather than a fortress. It is a delicate balancing act between protecting yourself from the inevitable pain and opening yourself to the beauty and wonder that life still holds. By allowing yourself to feel, even at the risk of encountering pain, you embrace the full spectrum of human experience. This balance enables you to savor the moments of joy and connection that punctuate your life, reminding you the profound beauty that exists alongside the hardships. To revive your capacity for joy, you must make changes. This involves altering your daily routines, engaging in new activities, or rekindling old passions. It might mean seeking new challenges or surrounding yourself with supportive people. Changing how you think and perceive the world is equally important. Adopting a new framework of understanding can open you to different experiences and perspectives. You must be willing to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown, trusting that the effort will lead you to a more fulfilling and vibrant existence. By cultivating a mindset of openness and curiosity, you allow yourself to rediscover the joy and wonder that once seemed lost. Rediscovering joy is not an easy task. It requires effort, and in a state of emotional numbness, this effort can feel insurmountable. Yet it is in these moments that you must remember the resilience within you. Albert Camus once wrote, "In the middle of winter, I at last discovered that there was in me an invincible summer." This quote serves as a reminder that no matter how bleak your current state may seem, you possess an inner strength capable of fostering new life and joy. This inner strength, this invincible summer, is a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. It is the flicker of hope that persists even in the darkest of times, urging you to keep moving forward. Life moves in seasons, and just as winter gives way to spring, your periods of numbness can transition into times of renewed vigor and enthusiasm. You must nurture your internal world, tap into your creativity, and allow yourself to adapt and endure. Even if the coldness of the universe seems perpetual, your perspective and choices can provide warmth and meaning. It is through your actions and mindset that you can transform your reality, finding beauty and purpose in even the most challenging circumstances. By embracing the ebb and flow of life, you allow yourself to experience its full richness, understanding that the lows make the highs all the more meaningful. Your journey is not a straight path, but a winding road, filled with opportunities for growth, connection, and joy. My friend, when nothing feels enjoyable anymore, it is an invitation to pause, reflect, and reassess your approach to life. It is an opportunity to strip away the calluses and allow yourself to feel again, to engage with the world with renewed curiosity and openness. Your invincible summer lies within, waiting to be discovered and embraced. Life, with all its challenges and complexities, is a precious gift. And by nurturing your inner world, you can create a reality that is vibrant, meaningful, and deeply rewarding. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you're still with me, please leave a comment on what you learned or what you would like to add. I would appreciate it. As always, wishing you a beautiful day.